no wauga wega Nderitu ati hena kiuria hau kiagirwo ni kurio in terms of quality ya atongoria a gĩturwa kĩa Mount Kenya, tondu ungirora kuruta Nyanza ni ukuona atongoria ao aria mokaga na kabere makoragwo me quality, na in fact he ka example kamwe no can strike yani gatuma de question mwana muthuri uria wakuire etagwo Kajwang
Otieno
nigetha brother yake acoke kuoya giti na no wona brother yake ungimurugamia ona faragatagati umurie kiuri ndagukwagira anja na akuhe ginya na reference na bibliography tondu akoragwo uguo sharp as a razor no na brother yake ahanago uguo ucoke uthio na kundu ta Rift Valley is the same situation. Thina uria ni ingiuga nyonete Mount Kenya ni ati atongoria itu ni magite kuyoera responsibility ya gukuria the next generation. Ugakora ati atongoria aria mari okuo miaka 20 irathiri no turatura tu hopes ici tucire atongoria-ini acio nyingi uria kiuria njuria atongoria acio atiriri where are your sons, where are your political sons and daughters? Meku airetu na anake twiku tutegwa turia mukuritie gisiasa nigetha tugakorwo ati mugiehera ona ni turoera o mugithiaga na mbere ni turathoma uria mwikaga maundu uria muciragira maundu uria muthondekaga maundu na ngwicira ni ukona kwina mwihoko tondu wona
kwina igesha
ukona mundu ta kwina igesha no ni ukona mundu ta Hanini Kega for example ni mundu ni ona ni akurireire siasa-ini no ndigwiciria no akugwetere mundu wa munyitire guoko
ahuritwo mo
mundu wa munyitire guoko guo ni kuona mundu ta Ngonjiri wa Mbugu Ngonjiri ona kenja kugo horo wa tanga aguthagwo no hari argument yake yo
prevail
na horagwo kuma guku mucie ni tukoragwo na thina ucio na nikio ni ige place responsibility he atongoria aria mehaha kabere aria mena experience na ni atongoria mena uigirireku munene
no twe nao
tungirora mundu ta Jeremia Kionire is a very sharp individual mundu ona kiocio ona Jeremia Kioni ndina doubt ati ona kana guthondekere budget kuma page 1 nginya mwiso ni mundu ukoragwo na kuelewa kunene muno no na understanding yake ya siasa experience yake ya siasa nene muno na kiuria no kiuigi muria where are your political sons and daughters aria utekete interest ya kunyita guoko kumakuriria o kuria guothe mari hamwe na aria mwinao nigetha ruriri rutige kuhuka kana rutikana huke getha ruriri rutige kuhuka kana rutikana huke
Nijue ni gucokererwa hau tondu ugire we umwe wa ari arurire na inyue ni acio murarera aya mabatie gukorwo magikuria andu ni acio mabatie gukorwo makiuria tau nikio hi turekorire twe hathara-ini nene muno ya no uyu ukuingira thiini wa maguru-ini ma President Uhuru wa Kenyatta.
Ni kuona tariu mundu uria nyitete tutegwa twitu guoko na hau niho twagirwo ni kuyuria mundu uria wanyitire tutegwa twitu akinyita Martha Wangari Ndindi Nyoro Betie Sawa Irungu Kang'ata no manyitite guoko gisiasa na hau ngeciria hau
na no munyitike imwe ko muhana njege
ithu tunyitikaga muno toria wa boy
tuko no migua wina yari no ena mundu ngiuraugire ati kurokire mugeni arahakura ndegwa citu ire iratweka mirushua ati timoge koyo timoke hihi niki kiragithie na mbere nituri systems citu cia gukuria andu macio na mange maingi mutukorwo tukiaria kahinda gatakiri haraya undu muna kurania ati nuyo ugakorwo ugithura uhoro igi capacity tuthuraga andu mahana atia ni besha kana ni githomo ati andu aingi muno marorio ka mena maratathi ri tene agikoyo ni makana timo tuikirie tugicokeria kahinda tari haraka
Oya, twende. Oya, twendeni.
Kupotea naye.
Twendeni bana.
Ni wakati wa sisi wa mama.
Ni wakati wa kupunguza bei ya stima.
Oya, buda, twende.
Buda,
Twende tukashukishe bei ya mafuta.
Twendeni bana. Haya majamaa. Haya majamaa twendeni.
Bei ya chakula kimepanda. Na ndio maana sisi sote tunaenda kuishukisha.
Boss, siogope. Ngoje eh?
Maji kwa kila boma.
Bei ya unga ishuke.
6,000 mfukoni.
To make all this happen, get out and vote. Vote Azimio Blue. Vote Baba and Martha. Get out to vote. Vote Blue.
Building the containers was by chance. This was more of a DIY. So I worked with local fundis. In fact, the main person here was the welder. The main challenge was space. Putting the space to be functional. I wanted this thing to be high quality, high end. So I can say the finish is expensive. I can't give an estimate, but I know it's a lot.
To watch this story and more, download the Citizen Digital app today.
Kenya's #1 app, Citizen Digital.
We asked Kenyan women to tell us what they look for in a lotion.
Warembo, ni nini muhimu kwenu mnaponunua body lotions?
Smoothness, scent, glow.
Leo tunaweka kwenye jaribio body lotion ya bei ghali na ya bei nafuu.
Ungenunua gani?
Ina transform dry skin kuwa deeply nourished na smoothen. Na fragrance nayo. Wacha tu. Why pay more? Nunua nice and lovely body lotion. Ni bora zaidi kwa bei nafuu.
It's just nicer and lovelier. Chagua Kenya's #1 body lotion.
Uri muikari wa magegania wa Nyeri County muthenya wa mweri 9 mweri wa kanana ni uraheo mweke wa guthura mutongoria uria ungienda gitiini kia governor wa county ya Nyeri. Nie governor Mutahi wa Kahiga thirikari yakwa ne rutete wira no koneka nginya ngaheo ngerenwa ni World Bank. Ndagikuria muthenya wa mweri 9 guthura ni gutwarana na ni tugie na uigirereki ukuria ona waragania tunyitanire nawe ni tugutwara county itu na mbere. Muthenya wa mweri 9 ndukariganirwo ni kaba mwalimu Kahiga wira uthie na mbere.
Ni kaba mwalimu
Shabiki Jackpot Bao wiki hii. Cheza mechi hizi ili ushinde 20,990,510 shillings. Shabiki Jackpot Bao, the easiest jackpot in Kenya.
Checking for persons under the age of 18. Betting can be addictive. Play responsibly.
Shabiki.com is authorized and regulated by BCLB. License number 416.
Andũ othe a Nyandarua nĩ ndamugeithia na rĩtwa rĩa Mwathani. Ũyũ nĩ Ndego wa Home ũrĩa mũrathura ta gavana wanyu wa gatatũ wa Nyandarua. Na twĩna Peter Gathĩmba mũnini wakwa nĩ twĩharĩirie mbeca iria ciũkaga Nyandarua itigũthiĩ ungumania-inĩ. Nĩ tũkũrogota mbeca kuma ũtarii kũrĩ maĩ maitũ na mĩtugo itũ. Nĩ tũkũhota gwaka mathibitarĩ, tũrehe maĩ na thitima mĩciĩ-inĩ yothe. Nĩ tũkũhota gwaka mafactory nĩguo andũ aitũ othe mone mawĩra na tũkũrie biacara. Kuri Ndego wa Home ni weruta ndumaini Nyandarua itu irauga mundu ni Ndego wa Home jamba ya wira jamba ya Nyandarua.
Ndego wa Home jamba ya wira jamba ya Nyandarua.
I, Martha Wangari Karua, do hereby proudly accept this nomination as Deputy Presidential Candidate.
Tutabadilisha Kenya.
Tunabadilisha Kenya mzima.
Inawezekana.
Vote Azimio, vote Baba na Martha and see our country conquer all the challenges we are facing. With Baba na Martha, inawezekana.
Mwathani agocwo njitagwo Phyllis Buthia na riu ongenda rwimbo rwakwa gutanatuka tasikiza thiini wa thimu yaku ukuihinya *811 *277 origin *811 *277 na nguririkanie mucii wa Inoro nikuo mucii wa aini othe.
Uriria twahurira tu wega riria turathondekete maundu no ambie gucoka na reverse oro na kuhurira ni na ndero na andu
ni cia kwaga tua we na twahoerwo ya nisi simu godeni wao ati simu godeni wao muko ni kwa ata ni hade tenye ni ugacoka gatwe ni cia kwa
ni ri muria jikaraga maisha mange tofauti na mwana ikaraga nako
ni ndirakwira gaikare pa wara igi
ai riu haha ni ta ndiraigirerwo.
The Great Oasis Nanyuki mugunda uyu muraugurire nayo na turacokeria mwathani ngatho tondu riu title ni ciumite ni tuthondekete mabara maya mothe tugekira maramu tugekira marking fence nigetha nawe ukigire kindu mucii wa Nanyuki.
Tugicokerera twina wabui wa nyoto Eric Kinagana ningi redia muthenya wa mothe tugithagaga ni mweri wa iri
tugaga ni tutagwa wabui tondu wabui gamba ngari tu
wabui ndirago muthenya wa Tuesday horo igi wa iri kana wa keri koragwo ri muthenya wa thoko muthenya ucio ni andu magakorwo magithii guthurana koguo kige kibande kige passport yako ukiretana na warikia guthurana inoke wira wako ithuĩ nĩ ithuĩ tũgakorwo tũgĩkwĩra ũrĩa moimerera mahana wĩra waku no ũmwe tu ndũkahenio nĩ mũteti atĩ ũikaria ũraikaria gwĩka atĩa kwĩna borithi tondũ kwĩna wateti very irresponsible marera andũ atĩ ũikare kũu gwĩka atĩa ũikie kura ũthiĩ ũgakame ũthiĩ ũkaute mawĩra maku ũcoke ũke gũkũ rĩu na ithuĩ nĩ ithuĩ tũgakorwo twĩ cibũ tukwire uria kurathi kuva guthie na mbere wabui ukirwa kwina kaundu gakwe twakiuga ati ugakora ati arume matiuragio ciuria nyingi ta ciuria cia tuhu muno ati muiritu orio ta wabui warugama korio ni muiku korio ni ari mwana kwao no mundu rumwe na arume na atumia igana ucio ndoragio mundu macio muramona ate macio ni moka kuria muri ati wakora ringi ona atumia matiriumira na kiu ndakore tondu wa uria muraugite horo wigie ng'enda tondu ngoragwo ndugameire ati ng'enda ona korwo ni ciendetwo muno ni andu ihana nduthi ciokire Kenya gutari na policy tugwika atia tukura andu marauga ati tugithie githurano ng'enda ni igutario niguo tondu mundu ni akwaria uria akwaria ndakutire kundu egotwarwo na hairwo bundles ni ero cambia wa boy cambia ngania na nigwa murora ari wacoka na thutha ukona ni mundu munini tugwika atia maundu macio
nyambirire na kiuria giaku kia mbere kia uria atumia matuikaga judged reke njuge ithuĩ andu a Africa tutira embrace muno uhoro wa atumia gutongoria andu maririkana atongoria atumia maririkanaga wango wa makeri magatu associate na maundu ati ni meguikarirwo no njire Kenya ati mutumia ni mutongoria mwega otoria ahotaga gutongoria mucii wake ugatherema gutuikaga ati mutumia angiremwo ni gutongoria that family unit kana kumenyitithania ikare hamwe no kugwegwaga ona muthuri angikorwo ni acaragia akarehe mucii no kugwa tondu ni mutumia ni aremwo kuramata indo icio koguo atumia ni andu atongoria ega muno na nä tuonete tarä u arä a mahetwo iturwa cia gå tongoria nä tuonete å rä a matwarä te Kenya mbere no nä gå tuä kaga no kaå kau gagå tuä ka judged very very harshly atä må tumia eka kahä tia kanini å guo gekå nenehio na gå tuä ke
kå hå rä rwo mbå tå rirå
na hä ndä ä yo nä kaå ndå kanini andå mationaga mahä tia marä a arå matå raga mekaga monaga kahä tia kanini ga atumia nä maheo chance ya gå tongoria nä maheo space tondå kwä andå matetĩ kä tie atä no matongorio nä atumia må ndå atuä ka okorwo bosi yaku nä må tumia ndå kamwone na å tumia wake we mwone kä rä a kä haha hakiri-inä ciake na nä gå gå twara mbere wega uhoro wa ng'enda cia ũkinyanĩria ĩyo nĩyo social media nĩ kũrarĩ na mũndũ ũraugire atĩ nĩ ibataire kũhingwo no niĩ nĩ ndira support uhoro ũcio wa kũhinga social media tondũ Kenya nĩ a democratic country constitution nĩ tũhete the right to access information and also the right to communication mũndũ auge ũrĩa arenda kuuga no right cia mũndũ nĩ ikĩrĩ handũ ikinyaga igatuika curtailed especially okorwo right icio ciaku nĩ irahana ta ikuhinyĩrĩria mũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩ social media users nĩ mabataire gũkorwo na responsibility na to andũ arĩa marahũthĩra ng'enda ici cia ũkinyanĩria ona ene social media kana arĩa marehire social media ona o nĩ mabataire gũkorwo na ũigĩrĩrĩku o ta ũrĩa we Nderitu ndũngĩũka haha Inooro TV warie hate speech kana Inooro TV
teke tũngũtinie twambe tũthiĩ tũcemanie na William Ruto tũigue nĩ atĩa aroiga.
Okay.
And to plan what is not good for Kenya. Recently, the president met people in Nakuru, and the outcome of that meeting is not good for our country. Apart from threats to members of my team who are leaders, what is emerging from those meetings is eventually the leaflets you see. Sometime this week, leaflets were distributed, pamphlets, warning communities. The same old stuff that has taken Kenya through a lot of pain. These leaflets are not innocent. There are people known by the state behind these leaflets. And the intention of these leaflets and pamphlets are to cause panic in the population and to create a situation that will foment citizens fearing to go and vote. As Kenya Kwanza, we want the Director General of the National Intelligence Service to tell the country what is going on. We cannot sit pretty and see the same things that have happened in Kenya happen again. We committed ourselves after 2007 that we will never, ever again go back to the politics of ethnicity and division and violence. But there are people, having realized that they cannot win this election, they want to disrupt this election. They want to cause conflict in this election. And that is why we are calling on every state agency and our friends in the international community to speak to this matter, because it is a matter of concern. The regional commissioner, Maalim Mohammed of Rift Valley, the county commissioners, Samson Ojuang of Trans Nzoia, and Stephen Kihara of Uasin Gishu, and Erastus Mbui of Nakuru are part of this scheme. They are the people holding night meetings to orchestrate and to plan conflict among us Kenyans. And unfortunately, the President of Kenya is aware. We are asking His Excellency the President, in his constitutional duty as the President of Kenya, to ensure that the country is safe and to stop these people from planning the evil that they are planning. The President knows them very well. And the President must stop these people from causing conflict among us Kenyans. The same way the President stopped Mr. Kinoti about a year ago when he was planning the same schemes with the post-election violence victims. The President is very well aware what Mr. Kinoti was planning then. He is very well aware what these people are planning now. Let me also say that this plan is being propagated by certain media houses, Kameme and Inoro FM, and more specifically, Njenga Mungai and Joseph Kuna. They are running narratives around violence and around conflict. These people should be made to answer for what they are doing. The law is very clear on incitement.
Nyumbani ndio kila kitu.
Neno lenye uzito zaidi kuliko lolote. Nyumbani ndio shule yetu ya kwanza.
Nyumbani mafanikio yetu yanathaminiwa.
Nyumbani ni upendo,
usambazaji wa upendo na kusaidiana kwa lolote lile,
hata mambo yanapokuwa magumu. Nyumbani ni matumaini yetu.
Nyumbani ndio kila kitu. Ni furaha yetu, ni maisha yetu. Nyumbani ni kazini. Nyumbani ni ujuzi wetu. Nyumbani tunasherehekea talanta zetu.
Popote tuendapo, tuna uhakika tutalakiwa kwa furaha tunaporejea.
Nyumbani ni nguvu yetu, ni furaha yetu, ni maisha yetu. Tukileta maendeleo nyumbani,
tuna uhakika tutabadilisha Kenya.
Tunabadilisha Kenya mzima.
Inawezekana.
Azimio nyumbani, azimio nchini.
Ni aje, unajua juzi nilisikia kuna politician fulani alisema kitu controversial sana, lakini si unajua vile watu saa zingine upenda kuongeza chumvi kwa story. Mimi nilikuwa nataka kujionea mwenyewe nisidanganywe. So ngoja kiasi. Yes, sasa mimi sikungoja kuambiwa. Nilipata the full story hapa kwa simu yangu kupitia app ya Citizen Digital. Hata wewe unaweza pata hii app pia. Unataka nikuoneshe?
Stay informed on all the news and events as they happen across the country, the continent, and the world at large. Download Citizen Digital, Kenya's #1 news app.
Mom, kani ni saa ngapi?
Ni 2:10 time. You want some? To keep my family healthy and happy, I only choose 210 flour.
Sunny, what did you learn today?
I learned to count to 10.
Show me.
210.
Your family's choice for maize meal and home baking flour. Unga wa 210.
Wandeto, mbunge wetu mtarajiwa wa kutoka kule Teto. Wape makofi ya Wandeto.
Muriega andũ atetu. Jitagwo Geoffrey Wandeto, ndiramuhoya ndinyihitie kura cianyu ta mujumbe wanyu. Nigetha tuhote kwandandura wĩra ũrĩa mwega ngoretwo ngĩmũrutĩra. Tugacĩrithie gĩthomo, ũrĩmi, mbeũ njĩthĩ, wonjoria, ikundi cia arũme na cia atumia. Ũhoro wa barabara, thitima na maĩ ma kũrĩma na makĩria tunyitĩre andũ arĩa itu akũrũ na andũ arĩa matehotete. Niĩ ndirarũgama na kĩama